Children, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you your literature chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Words. It is a beautiful poem composed by Nancy Lynch. In this poem, Nancy Lynch detailed me, explained me the qualities of words. A word is such a lovely thing. It builds a song for words can sing, and words can swiftly through the sky on shining wings, for words can fly. That means word is a lovely thing. It can build a song. That means words has a power. Word has a capacity to compose a song, and a word has a power that it can sing for itself. A word can swiftly through the sky on shining wings. That means words has a shining wings through which it can fly. Next extanja, the paint. They paint the autumn's flame and gold with colors fadeless, proud and bold. They paint the depth of trust that lies within a dog's adoring eyes. That means word has a power that it can paint the autumn's flame and gold. And words color is fadeless. It can never fades, and its color is always bright, that is proud and bold. They paint the depth of trust that lies. That means word has a power. It can also the paint the depth of trust and within dog's adoring eyes. That trust that lies in a dog's adoring eyes, that means dog's praying eyes, it can paint. Next stanza, they bring thrill of spray and foam to sailing hearts who stays at home. That means our hearts who stays at home, but word has a power, word has a thrill, word has a excitement that it can bring happiness and excitement, and our hearts also float in the air. The moon lies hidden by a hill. Words lay it on my window sill. That means in this line the poet says that moon lies hidden by hill. Means moon cannot be seen because it has gone to the next side of the hill. But word lays it on my window sill. But word has a capacity to detail it about it because it lay it on my window sill. That means it is on my window frame, and it can tell more thing about that. Words can talk across the ear. Word can talk across the ear beyond the miles above the fears. Means word has no fear, and it talks across the years. Means from many years it talks, it says many thing, more thing about the world. Down countless ages march and sing. Word can travel, words can march, and it can sing a countless years. Means from many years no one can count it. A word is such a lovely thing. That means word is a lovely thing. It has so many qualities. It can travel in this beautiful word and explain me so many knowledge, so many excitement. It can fulfill our heart with joy and happiness. Thank you, sir. कितना दिन